Hey guys, so this video is going to be a house update, like with all the stuff that I've done to it and all the furniture and stuff like that. I wanted to do an intro because I actually already edited this video and I'm just putting this in after the fact because I feel like my energy in the beginning of this video is really like bleh. Like just keeping it real with you guys, I feel like I had a little bit of a harder time transitioning moving this time around, just from going from Oregon to Tennessee, from renting an apartment to owning a house, to going on like a 5-day road trip, to being responsible for all these new things, and it was just, I feel like, a lot for me. But I'm doing obviously way better now. I'm so happy and like I'm fully adjusted, but I feel like in the beginning of that video I was sort of going through a little bit of an adjustment period, and I can definitely tell my energy's just like bleh. And so like I don't want you guys to think anything's wrong, be like, why am I watching this video, this is terrible, because the video gets better just like you get through the first couple days with me. I'm like back to normal. I just did want to come in and like just give this quick little intro a little bit, I guess. I don't really have anything else to say. Okay, bye. There's Mr. Appa, some pups. Oh, here is the deck. Zoe and Persephone. So today we're gonna start painting. We're gonna try to do the entire house in like 2 days because today's Christmas Eve and tomorrow's Christmas, and that means there's not a lot of places for us to go look and like buy furniture or go and do really anything we need. And also I don't want to go to places like Walmart or anywhere today. We went back to Home Depot and got a bunch more paint swatches. So this one was just like a white, but it was supposed to be like a cool white. And then these ones were some of the other ones we picked. We actually ended up picking this one for the walls. This one was dolphin fin, and then this one is going on the trim, and that one's great graphite. We're gonna leave the fireplace white. We're gonna leave the doors, the windows and stuff white, and we're gonna pretty much just go with that. I know a lot of people were saying that it's gonna be like a lot of gray, but that's what I wanna go with. So here's a little area that we painted so we could see if we liked it. So wall color, and then this color is also gonna go down here on the trim. Again, I know it's a lot of gray for a lot of people, but we like it. And I don't mind if it's a little dark in here because it gets a lot of light. We only had one big casualty, right babe? But yeah, and then Appa's just been hanging out and being a good boy. So here's how everything looks in daylight. It's looking so much better. You can really see the difference compared to like that color opposed to the rest of it now. So we got all of our stuff in today, and it's all in the living room, and everything is a disaster. David has paint in his hair. This TV ended up fine, but that TV is completely done. Okay, so we actually got done painting our bedroom today. We just have like the bed in here right now, and we wall mounted our TV. And then right now, we are moving all of my vanity stuff in my vanity room finally. That way we can get this entire mess out of here and probably into here. And then I have some friends coming over tomorrow and they're gonna help me organize this.
Wait, I don't wanna do it.
No, I'm gonna do this piece. So we just put this together. By we, I mean David. Don't worry, he's getting a haircut tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we bought this because obviously our kitchen is small and I didn't have enough room to like put our food. We don't really have a pantry, so I decided this would be our pantry. And also I do a lot of cooking, and David's coffee stuff was taking up a lot of room on the counter, basically all of it. So what I did is I bought this, and in here is basically going to be where all of the pantry is and all like the dry food and stuff like that. So it'll be nice and hidden, you won't even know it's there. And then on top is gonna be David's little coffee bar. So he has a coffee bean grinder, his espresso machine, his pour over, all of his syrups, and then also like the coffee himself. So yeah, it'll be a cute little coffee bar, and then underneath will be, you know, just like cans and that sort of stuff. I will link this below, all of the furniture that I have in here basically, because I bought a lot of it off of Amazon. But yeah, I don't know, I thought it was really cute, and it's actually pretty big. It's like totally big enough for a small little pantry, and then, you know, obviously like a full little coffee bar on top. So this is everything just pulled out of my drawers, not including that, all that. And my friends are helping me.
It's me, Leah, the star of the show.
So we're trying to separate everything into category now. So yeah, this is basically just a giant mess. Okay, so David is putting together our new bed. It looks really, really good actually. Does it look good quality?
Yeah.
Putting it together. Also, look, Dave got a haircut, although it's kind of a mess right now. But he's putting this together right now. I'm super excited. We haven't had a bed frame in a year, or ever a nice one. We've never had a headboard.
Yeah. And this one, like the back, has these holes in it.
Are you telling people about a hiding spot?
Yeah.
That's not a hiding spot anymore. That you told everyone.
So what are we gonna hide back there?
I don't know. But if we did, you just exposed us. So David was blaming me for distracting him, but he did something with the bed. Yay, so it's pretty much almost done. David's just doing the last little part. So now we're gonna get the new mattress. So my Lull mattress just got here, and I'm going to unbox it and show you guys. So let's go. Except David's gonna do the heavy lifting.
Is this what good mattresses are supposed to feel like? I'm gonna call him sick today.
Shut up. So I just want to thank Lull for partnering with me on this video. I am so excited to finally get a good mattress. The last mattress that we had, I had just bought in like the cheapest one from Amazon, and I don't think my boyfriend really knew what he wanted, and he told me to get like the softest possible one ever. And then like every night he would complain that his back hurt or his neck hurt or whatever because there wasn't any support in it. And so I am so glad to finally have this. It feels really, really nice. It's soft, but it's still firm. There's a like 1.5 inch layer of like gel foam on the top so that it keeps you cool, and it actually almost feels cool to the touch. It's really nice. And then there is like a 1.5 inch like transitional layer, and then it's like the support foam, and it feels firm but soft. Like you're gonna sink in a little bit, but it's not gonna be like hard to get up, and you're not gonna like sink completely through. I feel like for a lot of people, some people like really, really soft mattresses, and some people like really, really firm. I feel like this is sort of in the middle. They do free shipping and free returns, and you get a 100-night trial to do so you can really decide if you like it or not. And I did see that if you don't like it, they do end up donating this mattress so that it still gets put to good use if you choose to not keep it. As you could see, my boyfriend is so excited. He had seen like all the ads for this for a while, and then when we moved, he was like, can you reach out to them? So I did. And then as you guys saw, it was like super easy to put together. I probably could have done it myself, but it's just easier if you have a nice boyfriend to do it for you. And it's nice that it just arrives in this like nice compact box. That way you don't have to like lug it from a store. Also for delivery, it shipped, and I got it within like 2 days. It was really, really quick. I will leave all of their links down below, as well as a $150 coupon link so that you can try this mattress if you're in the market for one. So yeah, again, thank you so much for Lull for partnering with me for this video. I am so excited to sleep on this. And I can't wait for David to hopefully not have his back and like neck hurt anymore. I think this one's gonna do him really, really good since he really liked laying on it earlier. So yeah, I'm gonna get on and show you guys some other updates with the house. We put up this like privacy film. I know it's not like 100% privacy, but it's so pretty, but it's just like all hollow and I really, really like it. I wish you guys could see like how it looks in person because it has like a hollow sheen, but I don't think that's gonna happen with this camera right now. Yes, I know I have not painted this bathroom, but I'm working on it. Okay, this is the only room that isn't painted, is this bathroom. Here's me with the mess that is my closet. We're gonna not pay attention to that right now. So something super, super exciting is the kitchen is getting done tomorrow. So if you didn't catch it in my, Appa, no tippity taps, okay? Can you sit? If you didn't catch it in my house tour, I am getting a new backsplash and a new counter. So this is going to be replaced with a gray recycled glass, and then this is going to be white subway tile. I'm leaving these right now because they're almost black and I feel like it'll work. Maybe at some point I might paint them white, but I've done too much painting right now to want to do anything. But yeah, this is all getting done tomorrow and I'm so excited. Also, did I ever update you guys that I actually got a washer and dryer? So super exciting. I got these giant ones. I ordered them online. I didn't realize like how big they are. But like I almost fell in this the other day. I probably could fit in it at this point. But I don't know, it's so nice to be able to actually do laundry now because we didn't have laundry for the first 2 weeks. So yeah. And then as far as other pieces of furniture, we don't have too much, but I have this ottoman that I'm waiting to put together until all of that is out of the living room. Another exciting thing is my mom bought me a KitchenAid. It's not about you, Appa. I'm so excited. I've wanted one forever, but I just never had like the kitchen for it, and now I do, or will tomorrow. So I'm so excited to use that and actually be able to do baking stuff. I know you guys want me to do the what I eat in a week video. I'm not gonna do what I eat in a day because like I eat like once a day and like that's like it's gonna be like 2-minute video. So I'm gonna do a what I eat in a week and I will start filming that literally, not tomorrow, like Saturday or Sunday. I told you guys when my kitchen is done, I will do it and then I will get started on that and have that up basically within a week or in a week. Also, I know I mentioned this last time, but if you're just watching this one, these are also getting done as well, the same recycled glass. So super exciting. And I actually think this is where I'm going to leave it for this video. I will of course do like a before and after in another like house update vlog with my kitchen and stuff because at this point the house is finally starting to come together a month later, and so probably within the next week a lot of like big updates are going to be happening because today I basically have to clear out the living room and start actually putting things where they should go since there's going to be construction workers coming in and out tomorrow. So I gotta like cover up things and move all my stuff out of the way. So watch out for that next video, and in that it'll be my kitchen slash master bathroom before and after, and as well as I think I'm gonna try to get a couch this week. We'll see. I have to get a couch before my mom gets here in 2 weeks. I'll try, as well as a new living room TV. I have a lot of stuff I gotta do. So I'm gonna leave you here since I feel like I've been filming this over the past almost month. Maybe that's being dramatic. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, been 3 weeks. And so I don't want this to be like a 3-month vlog or anything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this a like if you do like these like house update sort of videos, because I don't want to be doing them if no one's gonna watch them, since I know I'm not exactly like a decor channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you next time. Bye!